look at that sauce. Got little nibbles of garlic. Oh my, roasted garlic. Amount of salivate, bro. Run water.
It's really good.
And the sauce, nice and fresh. Bro.
So, can I get them?
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Bro. Bro.
I'm not talking no more. It's not. It's so good.
Tell me if I should keep on making just small little mukbangs with him. Because I think it's a little mukbang thing. But he's not the one that talks a lot. Yes, we understand that it's deep fried, but we don't have this every day. See? This is like some nice little donuts, but savory. The good thing about this recipe, he's eating his vegetables and he doesn't even realize. This is just some tomatoes we had sitting on the counter. We didn't want them to go bad. Blend them out, you see me? Salt and pepper, here and there some herbs, and boom, roasted garlic. And we have some beautiful marinara sauce. We didn't cook this one, and trust me, it tastes so delicious. And he's dipping in that like a tomato ketchup, I swear. Still crunchy, right? And you salt everything, nice and balanced. Just a look funny. Come, dip in, stretch in your hand. Give me the camera.
Back up! I'm joking.
Tell the people what you think. Tell the people what you think. No, you don't like it on camera.
Hold on. This is delicious. Just by itself, you can eat it.
Right, that's what I'm sitting and eat after. Quick, this is a quick little appetizer for you to try out. We don't have this every day. I wonder if it's okay.
We just had it one day. Just one day right now.
And
We never tried them.
would you spend money for this?
But at the store?
Johnny? Would you pay money for this?
Yeah, only for girls because I'm not even big.
Only if you're grown up. You can use the money from a piggy bank.
Yeah, I just want to buy money. Like 100 million.
So you'd pay me to make these?
Yeah.
How much should we charge?
How much money you guys
How
have?
much should it be? How much money should it be?
Look at that. You
I
can
don't
fill
know.
these. You can fill these up.
I don't know how much money it has to be.
Nice and hollow. Nice and good. You see me? These you can fill these up. See if I had like a cheese sauce, a melted cheese sauce. Just get that, just like a velvet and melt it, and get like a piping bag and just insert some extra cheese in it.
I know what you have to do if you want to keep your money. You have to keep it, and you wait for to buy stuff. You
save it.
Yeah, you save it. And then
Sauce is so good, honestly.
I don't even did.
It's like I'm questioning if I should, and the sauce have a little kick of spice. I question if I should start cook my tomato sauce or do it like this.
Bro.
Big man thing. That tomato sauce, yeah?
This is bomb.
But I'm in the oven. The last piece of sauce. This is so good. Don't eat the last piece.
Don't worry, I'm not eating it.
We have 3 left.
And I
Look at that sauce.
And I have him.
Look at that beautiful little white.
That was very enjoyable.
Look at that. Yo, a pizza dough recipe here. Perfect. Jamie, you want me to can I take this last one?
Yeah.
I want sherry. Want to share it?
Yeah.
Come over,
That's
come
the
on.
first time I seen Tamara eat like sauce like that.
You just have mash up the tomato sauce. We're gonna share this one. Come. The last one.
Break the food and share it.
Here. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dip. Dip and go through. Remain of the sauce I have in the fridge. That's why I usually make some nice pasta.
Yeah, that's really bad.
I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
You can make another video like this, and then after, you can save it and put it in the fridge, and then put the sauce in the fridge, and then every single day we can eat it.
Oh! Bro.
This tastes so good. Now it's time to put this in the sink. I'll throw the garbage like the fork.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. You will stop that straight things, them youth.
Can't put it in the sink. What's
The
this?
thing you say about that, it's not oily at
Let
all.
me go wash my hands.
You know, oily.
You know.
Because that's the thing.
How? Like most when I go to like Eastside Mario and stuff, it's like dripping oil.
Because people put the thing in a cold aisle.
So good today.
You have to make sure your aisle nice and high. Zin. You drop them in there, you monitor them. And you can't put too much. If you put too much, it will lower the aisle temperature until it gets saggy. And then just seep up the aisle. I like donuts, you know.
You wouldn't
You don't even taste your fry be fried.
Yeah, you
You know what? You know why the outside looks so? You know why the outside look oily? And the oil, the butter, the garlic butter on the outside. If you get that sheen there and the flavor. But when you break into that, you know, oily. Tell me if we should make more mukbang videos. Should I put these on Morristown cooking or Morristown cooking?
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Keep them call food. Just put them, but on everything my mukbang, you know that.
But definitely, I would say, like, I will join you guys in the mukbang for sure.
Mhm.
But what I'm saying is, what you should do, I was thinking about it.
Right.
You should do a triple wing,
Mukbang.
Yeah.
Hey, where are they? Sit down. Man, I broke up yourself.
3 different sauces. You can bread one, you can have one not bread. You can have all people not bread, like your sauces. Sauces is good. A really spicy one and a regular one.
Comment below and let me know if you want to see that jerk wings. Yeah, we are going to utilize that grill. But before the jerk wings, I'm going to be finishing up this little fast food segment. You see me? We did a little fast food segment. You saw that pizza. You saw this boy rap. Hey, the man did the pizza away, man. He talk a lot in this video. He never talk much about the pizza one. You see it? So yo, big up the people them. Thank you very much for watching. Jamir, don't you have a channel so you have food on your face?
Ah!
How you not plug in your channel? You know how many people want to be right here and plug in your channel, but that's how we are. We're not really fussy though. We're gonna get the support that we want in due time. Right? So yeah, but tell them.
Flying ants. Like an elephant.
Dumbo.
Tell them what your channel is called. Tell the people what your channel is called.
My channel is called
More
Jam
enthusiastic. More enthusiasm, bro.
My
channel is called Jam Time. Nobody now. Imagine me come from Morristown cooking. Hello everybody. Wagwan, that's good. Today we're gonna be
Ew. Fired.
You don't know Wagwan. I'll carry on that time, eh? Thank you very much for watching. Go and subscribe to my son's channel. It's called It's Jam Time. I'll plug it right here so you can get connected to the thing. And he's a little character. He likes to do a lot of fun videos.
Magic! My vampire appears! Boom! Wow!
And we're going to be blasting out his channel more, so subscribe to that. If you have kids, have your kids subscribe. It's a nice, like a fun vibe, isn't it? Leave in the comment section if you enjoy this little mukbang session with this wild one, isn't it? But thank you very much for watching, you see? And stay tuned for more videos. Check out the videos at the end of the screen, because we have over 270 and counting, and don't think I'm joking. Once again, my people, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel.
And go and make a pan yourself.